Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll sign in with your school account and immediately check that your profile shows your name and class. Once done, install the Teams app on your computer or open the web version. The app gives better notifications. Make sure to accept camera and mic permissions so you can join calls without delay. If your school uses two-step verification, follow the prompts now. This prevents access problems later. After login, open the Calendar tab to see upcoming classes and the Posts feed for teacher announcements. You navigate to the Teams list and pin each class for quick access, then open the General channel to find materials, channels, group conversations, and files. Once done, use the Calendar to join live class meetings. Click Join, choose audio/video settings, and enable background if needed. Make sure to use the Assignments tab to submit work. Attach files from OneDrive or your device. If you need to ask a question, post in the relevant channel rather than private chat to keep context. You finish by reviewing notifications, submitting any late work, and checking teacher feedback under assignments. This closes your task loop. Once done, download recordings or files from the Posts or Files tab for study and organize resources into folders in OneDrive. If a meeting won't load or audio fails, first update the Teams app and restart your device. Clear cache if issues persist. If that does not help, contact your school IT with the exact error and the meeting ID so they can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.